Hey, this is for people who have a IProNetwork account and they have coins sitting in their back office. So this video is going to teach you how to get your coins from the back office sent over to an exchange, which is where you will be able to cash them out. Okay, so I'm going to go through the process. So this is my IProNetwork.net, and you hit I think it goes straight to the back office. So you put in your username and your password, you click here and log in. You go to my account, down to my rewards, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click update my PROC wallet address. You might not even have an address in here if you've never done this before, which is fine. So if you do, this is what you're going to do. If you have an address in here already, you're going to click update. You're going to click send code. They're going to send an email to this account. Okay, so I need to go to my email and make sure which account it was. C Suncorp. Here is the PROC authorization code. I'm going to click here. There is the code right there. Alright, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy it, right click after I highlight it, click copy, go back here, move this out the way, and I'm going to stick it right here, paste, and then I'm going to click submit. Okay, so do that. Alright, now it wants a new address. Now let's go get a new address. So here's the process. You open up a new window, you type in Cryptopia.co.nz, enter. Alright, what you're going to come up with is you're going to click register. Okay, you're going to come up with a username. So I'm going to come up with something random. I don't know. Let me say random. Let me do that. Something random. You're going to put in something real, but you need to put in whatever it is you're going to remember. Alright, something random. And I'm going to use my email address. I'm going to use a brand new email address for this, just because I feel like doing that. Okay, so I'm going to use this email address here. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to copy my email address, highlight it, right click, copy, go back here, paste it into here, make sure this is scooted all the way back. I'm going to create a password. I'm going to put the same password in again, agree, I'm not a robot, click on the street signs because it told me to click on all the street signs, click verify, and then create my account. Okay, now I need to go to my email and click the activation. So go back to my email, inbox, click here, and verify my email address. Alright, now click here to log in. Alright, so my email address, I'm just going to pop it in right there again. Make sure I put this all the way back. Put in the password. I'm not a robot. Click on all the cars. There's a car, there's a car, there's a car. I don't think I see any more of those cars. I can't tell. We'll see. It'll let me know. Okay, good. Log in. Enter email code. Go back to my email. Inbox. Here's the code. Highlight it. Right click. Copy. Go back to here and paste it into here and verify. Done. Now I'm going to go to this B sign, and I'm not going to click on it. I'm just going to go highlight over it, as in put my cursor on top of it without clicking. Go down to deposit and click on that. Now here I'm going to type in PROC, and then I'm going to go down here and click on it, and then I'm going to click next, and it's creating an address for me that I'm going to highlight and put into the space. So you can click here to highlight, or you can highlight it yourself. Right click, copy. Go back over here, and we're going to go inside this field, right click, paste, go inside this field, right click, paste. I'm going to now, you're going to see me go back and forth between this page and the other page because I'm going to verify that this is the exact same thing from the other one. So I look at the first 3 or 4 letters, capital PCL7, and this of course PCL7. Now I'm going to go back to here, the Cryptopia, and look here, PCL7. Okay, so the first ones are correct. Now I'm going to go look at the last ones. That's either 2 V's or a W, so let's say VV, capital V, capital V, capital U, N, P. So VV, U, N, P. Go back over here. VV, U, N, P, VV, U, N, P. So I'm gonna do it one more time because you want to be sure you get this right so you don't lose your coins. Okay, so PCL7, PCL7, all these are caps with a 7. All those are caps with a 7. Okay, great. And then the last ones are EVVUNP. EVVUNP. And I'm going to submit. Okay? So now my wallet was updated. All right? So now this is the address. And once again, I always like to check PCL7, EVVUNP. PCL7, EV. Yes. All right, cool. So now that we did that, you go here, you click Use Your Rewards. You take this circle, click on it, slide it all the way to the end. Okay, so that is all of your coins except for the ones that are decimals because they can only send full amounts. Okay, so that's only 0.6 of a coin, so they can't send 0.6 of a coin. So all this is the same whole number. This is the address that we just checked 4 or 5 times. You come, you read the disclaimer, you click I have read, I understand, and continue. All right, and you are done. You have done a withdrawal request. All right, and these coins are now being sent to your account at Cryptopia. All right, so that is the process. All right, have a good one. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the box and I can get back with you quickly. Take care now. Bye-bye. Oh, one more thing. The coin, you have to do this by Saturday night. That's the deadline. And then the coins will show up Wednesday of the next week. All right, take care now. Bye-bye.